And you'll see next year. Get an awesome present for you, okay? Ga-Yeong, I swear.
Next year?
Last year you had a birthday. This one came right around, right? And the next one will be quick.
Is that box for my dad? Did he send you here? So he could see how I've been doing? Know what you could tell him? That I stopped waiting to hear from him a long time ago. I'll pretend my dad doesn't exist and he can forget about me too.
I have a daughter too, you know. I was never a good father to her, but watching as she grew up from the day I first saw her little face.
These were your father's belongings. Mr. Song Gi-Hun has passed away.